Hi everyone, I hope you're well. This is the overview of ClassifyDoc, the third function you're writing for the machine learning project. So this function is going to take the prior and conditional probabilities computed by the train function and use them with a test document input. So the probabilities, prob spam and prob ham, as single numbers, and the spam dictionary for the conditional probabilities of spam, and ham dictionary for the conditional probabilities for ham. Those four, and the test document will be the inputs to this function. And then using Bayes' theorem, we'll compute these two conditional probabilities for the hypothesis that the email document is spam and the hypothesis that the email document is ham, and then return or output the string spam if this probability is greater than this probability. Otherwise, it'll output the string ham. So these probabilities, using Bayes' theorem, break into these conditional probabilities, and these conditional probabilities are what are stored in the spam dictionary, where the key is a word and the value is the probability, and also prob spam. And then we'll do excuse me, we'll do the same thing for the probability that of the document being a ham document. Okay, let's take a look at the function. When you start working on this, remember to use my ClassifyDoc to true. Okay, so here are prob spam and prob ham. Those are numbers. And then the two dictionaries with the conditional probabilities, and the doc, which is a document record. So following along here, you're going to write a for loop to give you each of the words in the list of words in the doc's words record. All right, so I'll start that off. I want you to complete this so that each of the individual words in doc.words gets put into a variable named word. Okay, and then we build each of the two probabilities using the product pattern. So it's like the sum pattern, but instead of adding, a statement like sum equals sum plus something, it'll be a statement prob spam equals prob spam times one of the conditional probabilities that we'll pull from the dictionary using the get function. Okay, so this equation corresponds to these equations from Lab 12. Okay, so remember when we use get doing frequency counts. If the count we wanted wasn't in the dictionary, we use the default value of 0. We use 0 because 0 is the additive identity. Now, because we're multiplying, we use 1 because that's the multiplicative identity. Okay, so let's work on one of those lines of code. So I'll do the one for this probability, and then you can use this one to write the line of code for this probability. So prop spam equals prop spam times, so we want a conditional probability from the spam dictionary, dot get word. So remember, I told you when you write the rest of this for statement, to get each of the words from doc.words into a variable named word, or the default value 1. Okay. Add a similar line of code there for prop ham, and then using an alternate conditional, so if else a prop spam is greater than prop ham, set label equal to spam, otherwise set label equal to ham, and then the return here will output label. So remember, when you start that alternate conditional, you want that after the for loop. So start the conditional with it indented here. Okay, so you need to add the line of code for prop ham, complete this for, and then complete the alternate conditional so that what is stated here is carried out. And that'll complete ClassifyDoc. Okay. You all take care. Bye.